It's all about temperature, it's not about time.
Now these potatoes are just now starting to sprout.
You got here just in time.
They're ready to go in the ground.
Now I'm itching a plant, especially since we got little sprouts coming up everywhere. I keep telling them we have to wait. It's going to be 65 degrees today, and I scraped ice this morning, so we're in that stage of covering and uncovering. This is why we do it. This spinach and this cilantro are doing wonderful out here. Riley, but I keep telling you, it's about temperature, it's not about time. And the temperature does feel right. If you get any frost on them at all, they're going to die back. Now they can handle it maybe once or twice. What do we see? Let's plant potatoes. This is what I was thinking. This new bed was going to have the newest soil on it. We're going to go ahead and plant our potatoes. Since we're not going to dig them into the ground, we're going to do them Ruth Stout style. We're just going to lay them on the ground and we're going to cover them with mulch. This is how we like to plant potatoes. Just a couple days ago when we succession planted garlic and onions to make sort of a border around the new potato bed. I'm just going to dig the mulch back, we're going to lay them on the ground, we're going to cover them back. We've been very successful doing it that way. I know, it's only the 6th of February. It seems a little early, but what they're calling my Zone 7, I think we're going to be able to get away with it. We're either going to get one more blast of cold air, or we're just going to have some frosty mornings from here till spring. Either way, under the mulch, we'll be able to protect these potatoes. So this is how we do it. I like to take my fence line, pile my mulch up against it in case it does get cold. You could just dig down right where you want to put your potato, but I like to open a trench and get a couple potatoes. That way it's easier for me. Well, they got some trenches opened up. I'm going to kind of sneak one up underneath in here, a little closer to the fence. But then, just like Ruth, I'm just going to drop them on the ground. Probably not right next to each other. And then with the mulch that you pulled back, just cover them up. They'll come right on up through there when they're ready. It really is just that easy. I got a bunch more, but they're quite a bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and cut them in half, let them scab over, and the next week or so we'll come out and plant some more. We got our first potatoes in, and you can do this too. It's more about temperature than time. Our friends up in Alaska have been having a pretty brutal time of it, but I think they got a warm-up coming up. But they can grow long day onions up there because in the summer, the sun almost never sets. Even though they may feel like they're a little behind, They can grow a lot really quickly. And here in Oklahoma, when the summers get really blistering, these potatoes need to be up and done and harvested. And then we'll succession plant right here. But give this method a try. Just pull your mulch back down to soil, drop your potatoes, cover them up, go to the house. That's all you got to do. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.